Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Jace.com app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Go to your Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and search for Jace.com app. Tap on the Jace.com logo. To download, tap on the install button. It will take a while to download the app. Tap on the play button to begin the app. And this is how you can download or install Jace.com app. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.